Dear students, in the last lecture, we have seen concepts regarding tree traversal. We have three kind of tree traversal: in order, pre-order, post-order. The definition of in order is left, root, right. The definition of pre-order is root, left, right. And the definition of post-order is left, right, root. In this video, we will see how to construct binary tree from the given traversal. For example, suppose we have given two sequences, like we have given in order sequence as DBE AFCG and pre-order sequence as ABD ECFG, and our task is to find respective binary tree which satisfies the given in order and pre-order sequence. So I first move towards step 1. In step 1, first I read pre-order string, and in pre-order string, in pre-order sequence, first character is A, so I make A as a root. Why this is so? Because in pre-order, first we always visit root node. Therefore, from the given pre-order sequence, it is clear that final tree is having root as A. Therefore, we make A as a root. Again, when I make A as a root, I go to the in order sequence and I search character A. Yes, I find it, and suppose I have rounded it. At the left of A there are three characters DBE, so I write them at the left of A DBE, and at the right there are three characters FCG, so I write them to right of A. So left of A becomes DBE and right of A becomes FCG. Again, now I am moving towards step number 2. In step number 2, again I go to the pre-order sequence, and out of DBE I check which character appears first. So out of DBE in the pre-order sequence, B appears first, so left of A becomes B, left of A becomes B, and as I make B as a left of A, again I go to the in order string and I search for character B. From the in order sequence, we can say left of B is D, so it is added at the left of B. Right of B is E, so it is added at the right of E. Similarly, at the right hand side, out of FCG, again I go to the pre-order sequence and I check out of FCG which character appears first in the pre-order, and we can say that out of FCG C appears first, therefore right of A becomes C, and again I go to the in order sequence, I search for character C. Left of C is F, right of C is G, therefore F is added to the left of C and G is added to the right of C. Therefore final string becomes like this: A, left of A is B, left of B is D, right of B is E, right of A is C, left of C is F, and right of C is G. Again, we will see one more example. We have given in order sequence as F, G, B, A, D, C, E, and preorder sequence as A, F, A, B, F, G, C, D, E. So again, after reading preorder sequence, it is clear that A is the root node. So we make A as a root. I go to in order sequence. I search for character A. At the left of character A, there are three characters FGB. I add them to the left of A, and at the right of A there are three characters DCE. I add them to the right of A. Again, out of FGB, I go to the preorder string and check which characters appears first from FGB, and out of FGB, B appears first. Therefore, I add B to the left of A and I search B, character B from the in order sequence. At the left of B, there are two characters FG, so I add them to the left of B. Similarly, at the right hand side, out of DCE, first I check which character comes first in the preorder, and the character is C. I search for C in order sequence. In the in order sequence, D is at the left hand side of C and E is at the right hand side of C. Therefore, D is added at the left of C and E is added at the right of E. Again, now this part is remaining. Out of GF, again I search which character comes first in the preorder sequence, and the character is F. Therefore, left of B becomes F, left of B becomes F, and from the in order sequence we search for character F. G is situated at the right of F, therefore G is added at the right of F. Therefore, final sequence become like this. So this is how to draw binary tree from the given in order and preorder sequence. Now we will see how to draw binary tree if we have given in order and post order sequence. For example, suppose we have given in order sequence as D, B, E, A, F, C, G, and post order sequence as D, E, B, F, G, C, A. And now we are interested to draw a binary tree. As we know, the definition of post order traversal is left, right, root. That is, root node is visited at the last. Therefore, from the first order sequence, we can easily say that A is the root node. So we make A as a root. As we make A as a root, we search for character A in the in order sequence. I have rounded it. Again, at the left of A, there are three characters DBE, so I add them at the left hand side, and at the right of A there are three characters FCG. I add them to the right of A. Again, now I am moving towards second step. Out of DBE, I check out of DBE which character appears last in the post order sequence. So out of D, B, E, B is the character which appears last in the post order sequence. So B is added at the left of A. Again we search for character B in order sequence. D is situated at the left of B. and E is situated at the right of B. Therefore, we add D at the left of B and we add E at the right of B. Similarly, at the right hand side, out of FCG, again we go to the post order sequence and we check out of FCG which character appears at the last, and the character which appears last is C out of FCG. Therefore, C is added at the right of A. Now, out of again I go to the in order sequence and I search per character C. F is added. F is add. We search for character C in the in order sequence, and as we see in order sequence, F is situated at the left of C and G is situated at the right of C. Therefore, F is added at the left of C and G is added at the right of C. So, final binary tree becomes. So, another, now this is the example that you have to solve. We have given in order sequence and post order sequence, and you have to draw respective binary tree. So this is the assignment for students. Sometimes suppose what happens ki we have given only one sequence, pre-order, traversal or post-order traversal, and we have asked to draw binary tree. As we know the concept of binary search tree, in binary search tree, as we know, key value which is situated at the left hand side of the root node is less than that of root node, and the key value which is situated at right hand side of the root node is greater than that of root node. So if we calculate in order traversal of a binary search tree, always we get a sequence which is in the ascending order. Therefore, suppose we have given pre-order sequence or post-order sequence, from that sequence we can write in order sequence which is in the ascending order. So, from the given pre-order sequence we can generate in order sequence, or from the given post order sequence we can calculate in order sequence which is nothing but ascending order of the given pre-order or post order sequence, as we have pre-order sequence, in order sequence, and we have post order sequence, in order sequence. So it is not necessary, that is, if we have given only one sequence, pre-order or post-order, yes, we can draw binary tree. Thank you.